Topic: Electric circuits, resistors in series. Aims of lesson. Learners must 1. Learn that current is constant through each resistor in series circuit. 2. Learn that series circuits are called voltage dividers because the total potential difference is equal to the sum of the potential difference across all the individual components. 3. Calculate the equivalent total resistance of resistors connected in series using equals 1 plus 2 plus midline horizontal ellipsis plus. Introduction. Revision from grade 9. Simple circuit diagrams. Series circuit. Parallel circuit. Series circuits are called voltage dividers. The total voltage across all three resistors is the sum of the voltages across the individual resistors. Resistors in series are known as voltage dividers because the total voltage across all the resistors is divided amongst the individual resistors. Equals plus plus midline horizontal ellipsis plus. Calculating the equivalent total resistance of resistors that are concerted in series using the equation equals plus plus midline horizontal ellipsis plus. Example 1. A circuit contains two resistors in series. The resistors have resistance values of 5 ohms and 17 ohms. Calculate the total resistance in the circuit. Solution. Step 1. Analyze the question. We are told that the circuit is a series circuit and that we need to calculate the total resistance. The values of the two resistors have been given in the correct units. Step 2. Apply the relevant principles. The total resistance for resistors in series is the sum of the individual resistances. We can use equals 1 plus 2 plus midline horizontal ellipsis plus. Solution equals 1 plus 2 equals 5 omega plus 17 omega equals 22 omega. Guide the learner to self-directed learning. Highlight key learning points. Guide learners on how to learn and remember. Mention key aspects that examiners focus on. Mention the common mistakes made. Explain clearly and step by step. Activity/assessment. Activity 1. If you have a circuit consisting of 4 resistors of equal resistance in series and the total voltage across all of them is 17 V, what is the voltage across each of them? 2. In a circuit consisting of a battery and 3 resistors in series, what is the voltage across the first resistor if the voltage across the battery is 12 V and the voltages across the other 2 resistors is 3 V and 2 V respectively? 3. In a series circuit there are 3 resistors with voltages of 2 V, 5 V and 8 V, what is the voltage across the battery in the circuit? Consolidation. Remember to study your definitions. Practice the quantities and their specific symbols. Complete the activities in your textbook, based on this section of electric circuits. Resources, paper-based resources, digital resources. Use your own textbook to read up on resistors in series, how it divides the voltage and also how to calculate total resistance. Complete the activities in your textbook on this section. Refer to the relevant digital resources e.g. links on the WCEDE portal, find the Scievula Grade 10 textbook, read notes pages 290 to 296. See the video, VPFVK at www.everythingscience.co.za.